The award, I think, is a beautiful recognition of that, really, for the Evercam team and the Bentley team, the iTwin team, who have got to know each other quite well over the last few years. It's a recognition for hard work well done. Number one, it's a phenomenal visual tool. In terms of the benefit that a customer gets from having the integration, the beauty of this system is that we have the full life cycle of the construction process from the very, very beginning of the project. It was a very significant decision for us to start working with Bentley. So we knew we were working with something that was going to evolve over time, and Bentley really did their part of that relationship as well, providing us with developer time, providing quick answers to questions, because an awful lot of unexpected things come up on a journey like this. A lot of our customer base are those large infrastructure projects that are the sweet spot for Bentley. We work with a lot of the transport authorities, we work on a lot of the world's airport projects, a lot of medical healthcare stuff, road and rail. We're in a very nice place right now where we're covering all the major bases of photographs that can come from a construction site. We're supporting fixed position cameras, drones, 360-degree cameras, and the mobile phone. And so it's a very comprehensive technical product that Bentley covers us in all those 4 dimensions. From the very beginning, we felt like an important partner. Our developer team, our customer team had access to the people they needed in Bentley. There was an open and responsive attitude, both from myself, maybe at a business level, with the ventures team, with the portfolio support team, but also across the board. So our ability to speak the same language as Bentley and to have a good relationship there means we're presenting a very uniform solution to the customer.